Hey everybody, Mark from tenttable.com. In this year of tariff turmoil, I decided to try a new vendor partner to manufacture some chairs from us. I made sure the colors were the same. I made sure the feel and fit and finish was the same. As you can see, I have random chairs stacked here, okay, from each of my existing manufacturers. The one thing that I didn't realize was somebody wasn't wearing gloves when they packed the chairs. So when I opened up the box of white chairs, although they're brand new, I did notice some small smudge marks on the chairs. I have 5,000 white, I have 5,000 black. You don't see the smudge mark on the black, but it's probably there. I want to move these chairs out, $10 per chair. I've got 5,000 white, 5,000 black. When they're gone, they're gone. If somebody wants to buy 1,000 or more, I will even shave a little bit more off the price. Give your sales rep a call and let's make a deal. I want to move these chairs out.